What's up, YouTube? Get ready for this one. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to try our wings out. We're going to start off here with our McDonald's sweet and sour sauce. And then we're going to move on down the line here, alright? So, stick around. This one should be fun. This week, let's do something a little bit different here. For Wing Wednesday, let's try something. So, I decided I'm going to make 6 wings, 6 different ways. And I'm going to try each one of them. And maybe this will become a thing. I don't know. I'll have to wait and see what goes on. But I'm going to start off relatively small. So first week, we have the McDonald's sweet and sour sauce on the flat. We have HEB honey mustard on the drummy. We have Gentry's tennis sweet. It's actually a really good sauce, by the way. Just look that stuff up. On a flat. My man Rufus Teague on a drummy. Some Olive Garden Italian dressing on the flat. And the piece de resistance, it's going to be Fireball with some TD's honey, habanero mango here. Or habanero honey mango, I apologize. It's going to be sprinkled on that drummy over there. So that's going to be the deal. I think I'm just going to take the wings. I'm going to rub them all in their selective sauces and stuffs. And then they're all going out on the Vision, and I'm just going to grill them. Even playing field. The only difference is it's going to be drums versus wings because I don't want to just make like 6 flats. I probably should just make 6 flats. Because then someone's going to say, well, this wasn't very fair. You know what? I don't care. It's fair to me. All right? I'm the one eating them. So we're just going to leave it like this. Okay? All right, cool. Stay tuned. We're going to do some things in internet magic next. This is going to be an odd setup here. So there's going to be lots of hand washing in between all of this. Even though I'm handling all chicken, I still have to consume it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the camera on. I'm going to fast forward through it because who's really going to want to watch this? But I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to put each one of the flavors down on it, wash my hands in between, and then put the finished wing back in its order once it's been coated with its delectable topping. And then we'll take it outside and we'll start grilling up. Okay? Fair enough. So here we go. So I did stop it at the end there, and that was just because I was trying to do most of it over the sink, so I didn't make too much of a mess over here. The Fireball did go all over the counter. So we have here our McDonald's sweet and sour. We have our HEB honey mustard. We have our tennis sweet here from Gentry's. We have our Rufus Teague. We have our Olive Garden, and we have our Fireball and TD's honey habanero mango here. That's one that I know is going to be excellent just with this, but I wonder if I'm going to get that crunch of the cinnamon flavor is gonna go through that or not. So I'm going to take all these guys right here, and I'm going to go outside and throw them on the grill. By the way, if you like this over here, down there, hit subscribe, please. I'm begging you here. I got like 30 people. I could really use some traction, folks. I'm doing stuff like this. Grill's up to 500 degrees. We are running double racks here. Ooh, a little foggy fog there. And we're going to do them in this order. So we have sweet and sour, honey mustard, Tennis sweet, Rufus Teague, Olive Garden, Fireball Honey Habanero, and we'll check back. I've gone ahead and added a couple other wings here just so I have something else to snack on later. And then these are just going to be, you know, other cool ones. Let's go ahead and take these guys down one by one in the same order again. It's interesting how they change color differently according to their sauces. So there we have it. Put these guys back up here for a little bit. Yeah, these guys are just plain. There's absolutely nothing on these at all whatsoever. Just took them out and threw them up here. Cool. Bring these guys in. Wings are done, man. McDonald sweet and sour, honey mustard, Tennis sweet, Rufus, OG Garden, Fireball, and some Habanero Honey Mango. Let's do this. One at a time. Alright, well, it's a little hard to do it with this, so just put that there. Get out the way. Alright. Whoop. Slippery little guy. So here is our McDonald's sweet and sour sauce. As you can see, down to the bone. Yep, tastes like sweet chicken. That's it, nothing else to it. Next one is going to be our HEB honey mustard. Getting a little bit of sweetness, that's about it. Some of the mustard comes through. Not much though. Next is going to be our Gentry's Tennis Sweet here. Again, clean bone. Okay, just a sweet flavor again. I probably should have basted these instead of just rubbing it on and then putting them on the grill. Not gonna lie. But you can definitely tell there's a barbecue sauce on that. Next is gonna be the Rufus Teague. This is the honey sweet. Oh, okay. This one stands out. Maybe because it's thicker than all of them, because yeah, you can actually taste it on there. Yeah, I'm being sloppy right now, okay? I don't care. Alright, next one is going to be the Olive Garden. This is just the Italian dressing on this guy. You get a little bit of vinegar, but that's it. Nothing else. Sorry, excuse me. Last one here. This is our this is the old Fireball and the Habanero Honey Mango. All right. Let's see what happens with this guy. All right. First bite. You taste that habanero honey, and it's hot. Okay, yeah. Then there is a weird. Let me give that a best bit. There we go. There's a weird bit of cinnamon that lingers around the back. It's just barely there, but it's there. Wow. Okay, that one's That one's different. Okay, I like that. I gotta say, it's a toss up between between this guy and my Rufus Teague. I mean, the other ones were also good. I think maybe if I marinated them or I kept basting them, but for some reason, maybe because this was a dry rub that stuck on there. Okay, that's hot. That's just one wing. Wow. Okay. All right. No, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not yet. Maybe because this just wet the wing, and then this dusted on there. Maybe that's the reason why. Not 100% sure. This guy's also very thick, so he really stuck to the wing. The Olive Garden, again, tasted the vinegar. The tennis sweet just tasted the sweet. The honey mustard just got some sweetness to it, and then the McDonald's was just sweet. So that's my roundup on this. So that's what I think. I'm thinking this is an awesome combination. Throw some of this on, why not? Because at the end of the day, it's whatever you want. All I'm doing is I'm just being a jackass here and trying to come up with something different. Because everybody keeps doing the same shit all the time. So, maybe I'll make this a weekly thing. I'll just do a bunch of crazy chicken wings, different flavors, and we'll see where we go from there. So, how about this one? How about you comment below? You tell me what crazy concoctions to put on here. Don't go too crazy. I don't want no crazy ass shit. Like, I don't even want to get into it. I don't want to give you guys ideas yet. But if you like the idea, go ahead, comment below. I'd like to hear what some of the ideas you guys have for me. And we'll just kind of go from there. Till then, buon appetito.